What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Cronos, also known as CRO, which as you guys can see has been performing very well over the last 3 days. With the crypto pump, with Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high, we are seeing majority of the cryptocurrencies on the green side, and today's focus is on Cronos, which has gained 25% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over 10 cents. So is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? That's what we will be going through in today's video, and essentially looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024 and early 2025. What can we expect from Cronos? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, and especially that the crypto has literally gone from the red zone into the green, dark green, and right now into the blue zone. Is quite fascinating. However, is it sustainable? We'll be looking at that very shortly, but for now let's hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we're going to be looking at the short-term trade, and then I will be moving on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see the blue and the orange line are both looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Cronos over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. However, reason for that, for the lines looking quite negative, is because of the minimal drop that's been taking place over the last couple of hours. Yes, I'm expecting an overall drop. However, it's not going to be a major drop or a major crash. Potentially heading down to just about 10 cents in value is what I'm expecting Cronos to be trading at towards the end of the day today. However, guys, I'm also expecting it to hit more green candles over the next couple of hours, potentially heading closer to around the 12 cents target before it slowly starts to dip back down later on this evening and later on tonight and early hours of tomorrow to around 10 cents. So yes, do expect quite of a wave with ups and downs, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more slightly on the negative side. So moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? The orange line is looking way too steep, going in a bullish direction, and it's not realistic at all. And the blue line is literally flat out going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish. So what does this mean for Cronos over the next 7 to 8 days? So by the end of next week, yes, I'm expecting Cronos to have gone through an overall increase in value, heading around 14 cents is where I'm expecting Cronos to be heading up to, potentially by mid-November, late next week. But again, do bear in mind that in between that time, it is likely to hit red candles, taking a little bit of a hit. Not just Cronos, but I'm also expecting majority of the cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, to take a little bit of a hit by early to mid next week, dropping down to around $74,000 before it then pumps back up, potentially getting very close to $80,000 by the end of November, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. However, from now on, I will be doing daily updates on the crypto market, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get updated on a regular basis on what to expect from the crypto market. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we have the blue line and the orange line looking way too steep. Reason is, as you guys can see, the crypto has pumped up like crazy over the last 3 to 4 days. So the crypto market, or the graph even, thinks it's going to carry on that way and it's going to pump in that direction and at that pace, which is not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, late December, early 2025, I'm expecting Cronos to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Getting closer to around 17 to 18 cents is where I'm expecting Cronos to be trading at by the end of the year, and early next year getting closer to the 20 cents target. But again, it is cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market, so things like crashes and so on happen unexpectedly. So that is why I would like to keep you guys updated on a daily basis with the most up-to-date news and regular predictions, to keep you guys in the loop on what is happening and how the crypto market is performing and so on and so on. But at the moment, yes, I'm expecting Cronos to be heading higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of weeks, even though yes, there will be red days, even red weeks in between. What matters is the overall outcome, which personally at this moment in time, I'm predicting it to be more on the positive side. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, as mentioned earlier on in the video, it has broken out from the red zone into the green zone and right now into the blue zone, which again, it's not sustainable, hence why I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a hit back down to around the green zone by early to mid next week, and then slowly starting to head back up in value to the green and blue zone by end of next week and late November. So quite of a wave, ups and downs, but again guys, it is likely to be an overall positive outcome. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 440% in the last 24 hours, guys, which is absolutely crazy. $168 million in trading, which is quite high, and especially the increase in trading is quite huge, guys. And over the last couple of days, we can see over the last week it has gained 50%. However, majority of it did come from the last 2 to 3 days. So at the moment, the cryptocurrency is performing very well. Let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting Cronos to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also, I've seen a lot of people saying Cronos is likely to hit 50 cents, is likely to hit the dollar mark, which is quite of a push. It's quite far away, and if it does hit that target within about a month and a half, that is not sustainable. It has to take its time at a slow and steady pace. So yes, we can see on the side here, Cronos partnership to accelerate Cronos ecosystem growth with Google Cloud, which is an exciting news, which should be again able to pump its value up, but there will be more news on that in a later video. But yeah, on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video, guys. Take care and peace.